This course teaches you the grammar you need to communicate confidently and accurately in English. You learn how to use verb forms to describe the present, past, and future, how to ask for advice, give instructions and make requests, suggestions and offers, how to use articles, adverbs, adjectives, and prepositions, and how to describe possibility, ability, obligation, and necessity. Everything is set in a healthcare context. You see how grammar is used in practice when talking to patients and discussing a wide range of topics, from COVID-19 to mental health to technology in healthcare. Essential Grammar for Healthcare is multimedia, using the latest in online learning, from video explainers to interactive voice recording to multiple practice activities. There are PDFs in every unit for you to download and keep. The course was written by Ros Wright, an internationally renowned medical English writer who has been working with healthcare students and professionals for over 20 years. It's accredited and certificated by the CPD Standards Office, whose professional qualifications are recognised around the world. At the end of the course, you'll be able to use a wide range of practical healthcare-focused grammar with confidence and accuracy.